Hey guys, this is T2 Asia 4V. In this video, I will report that I realized that the Sideline freelancers are a lie. Be careful. 6th day of the trip, 3rd day in Thailand, and today is January 3rd. It's 11:42 a.m. I checked out of the hotel. I decided to have breakfast and lunch at a bar near the hotel. I ordered holy basil leaf with chicken plus egg and mixed berry juice. Mixed berry juice and holy basil leaf with chicken plus egg. Looks really delicious. I took the BTS from Nana station and got off at the next station, Asok station. I just booked the hotel for tonight. The hotel is within walking distance from Asok station. I arrived at the hotel for tonight, Jono Bangkok Asok Hotel. There is a cannabis shop in the hotel lobby. It's a stylish lobby. I checked in. I paid the room rate by credit card when I made the reservation. I wonder how big the bed will be. I moved to my room. This is the room. I check inside the room. It could be a king bed, a super king bed, or a queen bed. Although the room is small, the living space has been made spacious through ingenuity. And it's very clean. It looks like it would be comfortable to stay alone. This is a wall-mounted refrigerator. There is no minibar, but there is free water. The sink is in the room, not in the shower room, probably to save space. I check out the shower room. The shower room is very compact and very clean. I check out the view from the window. This room is on the 2nd floor, so there is almost no view. This hotel has an atrium that leads to the basement. There is a rest area under the atrium. After checking into the hotel, I decided to go out. I arrived at Exchange Tower, a building close to the hotel and near Asok station. Apparently the closest laundry shop to Jono Hotel is here. They will do your laundry for 100 baht per 1 kilogram. My laundry was 1.8 kilogram, so it cost 180 baht. I'll pick it up tomorrow at 5 p.m. Now, I'm going to take the MRT subway to Sutthisan station. I was hungry, so I go to a McDonald's near Sutthisan station. McNuggets and McFlurry Oreo, it looks so delicious. Now that my stomach is full, I'll walk a bit. I just keep walking. I can see my destination. My destination is this hotel called Buddy Place. This seems to be the main entrance. I visited this hotel 4 or 5 months ago in August 2023. This time, I came here to get a sideline massage too. I had contacted several masseuses earlier. And this is the hotel specified by the masseuse who I made the reservation. By the way, the masseuse is a freelancer. The masseuse messaged me the room number, so I headed to the room. This is the room. About the masseuse who gave me a massage at Buddy Place, when I opened the door, a completely different person appeared, not even resembling the profile picture on the website. I've had massages at several sidelines in the past, but this was the worst case of a different person. However, the masseuse was very charming. It would be a hassle to turn back and make a new reservation. I decided to ask for a massage. She is 29 years old. Her breasts seem to be implants, and the masseuse has a loose figure. She looks a little more than chubby, and she probably has children. And the masseuse went to Japan to work for a week last week. Apparently it was very cold. That's true. Even for Japanese people living in Japan, December is cold. Well, this time the masseuse was disappointing. I'm about to leave the room. In a way, I was able to enjoy the best part of the sideline. I'm a little tired after the massage. I'll replenish my protein at a nearby 7-Eleven. I expected that a different person would come to the sideline. However, the quality of the masseuse was lower than expected. The massage fee was not cheap either. Damn. I'm getting irritated. As my irritation won't go away, I'll contact another freelance masseuse. This masseuse is the one who gave me a massage in August 2023, 4 or 5 months ago. This masseuse is also freelance. She was a different person from the profile picture, but she was a very good masseuse. Young at 22 years old, slim and stylish. Just yesterday, I received a New Year's greeting from the masseuse online. I contacted her and it seems she is still giving massages at the same hotel. Just to be sure, I checked online to see if it was the same person from last August, and it turned out that she was. She sent me the room number, so I headed to the room. I never expected that I'd end up receiving 2 sideline massages in a row at the same hotel. My expectations were building at the thought of meeting again the masseuse who gave me such a satisfying treatment last August. This is the room. About the second masseuse who gave me a massage at Buddy Place, when the door opened, I saw a completely different masseuse from the young, stylish one I met last year. I immediately understood what was going on. The masseuses listed on the web as freelancers are not actually freelancers. It seems that there are companies that list themselves as freelancers. They just assign a masseuse who is available at the time to the customer who contacts them. I checked with the masseuse in front of me, just in case. You're a different person from last time, right? Huh? I'm the same. I just look different because I cut my hair, and so on and so forth. This masseuse was doing it on purpose. I gave up. I was stupid. I let the masseuse give me a massage anyway. The masseuse seems to be able to speak a little Japanese. She said she was 27 years old. It seems that the masseuse has a child. The breasts were implanted. She'll be working on the sidelines for 10 days. The time for the massage came to an end. Despairing at my own carefree stupidity, I decided to leave the room. Despair. I leave the hotel empty-headed. I realize how good Sideline was yesterday. The masseuse from yesterday was exactly as she was in the photo, even though the photo on the web had been edited quite a bit. I clearly realized that behind the freelance masseuses, there must be companies that dispatch masseuses under the guise of freelancers. I returned by bolt bike to near Sutthisan station. I checked out Poseidon at MP briefly. Only the third floor was open. Apparently 20 people are working today. Today is January 3rd, so there may not be many masseuses working. The cheapest masseuses was 2,900 baht. I was hungry, so I decided to fill my stomach here. Chicken Caesar salad and lychee smoothie. It looks very healthy and delicious. I used up a lot of energy at Sutthisan. I decided to go back to Sukhumvit by MRT subway. I came back to Sukhumvit. It was 7:15 p.m. I returned to the hotel. I decided to take a shower to refresh myself. The time is 8:19 p.m. I'm on my bolt bike. I've arrived in Thaniya. I came here hoping to try out a karaoke bar in Thaniya for the first time in a while. It's 8:45 p.m. I check out Agaha. There are lots of ladies there. Then I check out Trendy One. There aren't many ladies, but there are a few beautiful ones. When I talk to the staff, it seems that as expected, most of the ladies are hunted between 7 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. I guess I arrived too late. Next, I'm taken by a tout to check out a karaoke bar called Playgirls 2. Notes from the karaoke bar Playgirls 2 in Thaniya. I entered the bar and checked out the ladies. Everyone here is dressed in office lady uniforms. It's a good concept. I chose a 20-year-old lady. I talked to her. The lady is 20 years old, but apparently already has a 2-year-old child. She is always smiling and very charming. She seems to be able to speak a little Japanese. She makes a gesture of counting on her fingers to show that she can speak Japanese. She said that she had been to Soy Cowboy once before to look for work. However, she was 19 at the time and couldn't work there. This was because the bar would have to close if there was anyone under 20 years old during a police raid. I was surprised to learn that there was such a rule, and it turns out that she used to work at a go-go bar in Patpong. I asked her why she moved to a karaoke bar. She said it was because she felt more privacy here. It certainly makes sense. Surprisingly, her salary is the same, 500 baht per day. She also plans to get breast augmentation surgery in the middle of this month for 4,000 to 5,000 baht. She will go from an A cup to a C cup. I discovered something new when I heard this story. I thought that giving birth would definitely increase the size of your breasts. It turns out that's not actually the case. The downtime for breast augmentation surgery is 1 month, and she won't be able to work during that time. The surgery will be done in Phnom. Also, if you have a professional do the surgery at a surgical hospital, it will cost more than 100,000 baht. So, it seems that she won't be getting the surgery done by a professional. I was a little worried about whether it would be okay to have someone who isn't a professional do the surgery. By the way, she told me about a night market in Bangkok that she recommends. It's called Jod Fair's Night Market. I think I've seen a YouTuber introduce it before, but there aren't any spots in the area that would interest me, so even though she recommended it, I don't think I'll go. Anyway, it's about time to leave the bar. I enjoyed Playgirls 2. I'm going to check out Patpong Night Street. A quick note on the go-go bars I went to in Patpong. King's Castle 1. As expected of a popular bar, the inside is so lively. There are quite a few middle-aged tourist couples in the bar. Virgin. I handed the male staff a 500 baht note to pay for my drink. The change I got back was 200 baht and 4 5 baht coins. I didn't notice it at the time, but it seems like he skimmed off 140 baht. However, the staff had already left the place, so I missed the chance to complain. I thought to myself, oh no. and left the bar. King's Castle too. The bar was extremely crowded. I also saw a black female customer drinking alone. There were no seats available, so I couldn't sit down and had to leave. Return to Sukhumvit by Bolt Bike. Before returning to the hotel, I had a beer at Crazy House and saw a cowboy. Today, I'd like to write down what I felt after visiting Bangkok's nightlife spots. I realized that I was visiting only tourist spots. Looking around, there were only tourists. For example, a go-go bar. The customers in the bar were probably people who had come to Bangkok temporarily. They spend their time in the bar feeling a sense of curiosity and a little excited, and I was one of them. When I realized that, I somehow lost interest in the night. I guess I could say I wanted to do something different. I felt like I wanted to do something on a different level, not just be a tourist. If I came to Bangkok tomorrow, the day after, next week, next month, 6 months from now, or next year, would I do the same thing again? I think the bars that welcome tourists have been doing business with tourists for years or even decades, even though the staff have changed. From the bar's perspective, we are just the same tourist customers. No matter how long and how many times we visit the bar, we are just another tourist customer. I may become a regular customer, but I think I'll just be one of many regular customers. So what exactly do I want to do? It's difficult to answer that question. What do I want to do? I think it's better to not just consume nightlife, but also turn it into a productive activity. If I don't do that, I might get bored of nightlife one day. It might become difficult to maintain a sense of satisfaction not only with nightlife but also with the travel itself. So I thought, wouldn't it be good to do something completely different from nightlife every once in a while? I think having some other stimulation besides nightlife might help maintain motivation for nightlife and traveling. By the way, I'm just saying that's what I thought tonight. Maybe a lot happened today and I'm feeling a bit depressed. Thank you for watching. I'm glad if you feel you have trip. Please subscribe T2 Asia 4V channel. Please leave a comment and thumbs up. Please also super thanks. Please follow me on social media.